Hello guys, today we are very excited to introduce to you guys Zeve loyalty program. How to be entitled for Zeve loyalty pass. Visit www.zeveshoes.com.
Click on rewards icon.
Press join. Enter your details and create account. Now you can gain rewards by collecting Zeve points. Earn 1 point for each RM 1 ringgit spent. After signing up, you can get free points immediately. How? Follow all of these steps to earn free points. By subscribing to our newsletter, you can get 10 Zeve points, and then by completing your profile, you will get 10 Zeve points, and then by following our social media accounts, you will get 5 points each, and then on your birthday month, you will get an extra 10 Zeve points, and then if you refer one of your friends and he buy the shoes, you will get 30 Zeve points. So in total, you will get 85 points for free. Okay, once you collected enough points, you can claim any of our products in our shop and in our online store, such as socks, shoe polish, trousers, shoes, free shipping coupons, and extra additional discounts. So that's all. Thank you.